Welcome back to Car Care Talks. In part 1, we laid the fluid foundation, the lifeblood that protects your engine from internal wear and catastrophic failure. But a car is more than just its fluids. It's a complex machine that needs to breathe clean air, burn fuel efficiently, and manage its own internal pressure. If the fluids are the lifeblood, then the parts we're covering today are the heart and lungs. Ignoring them won't always lead to an instant breakdown, but it will slowly choke your engine, rob you of power and fuel economy, and lead to a death by 1,000 cuts, each one costing you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. This is part 2, the vital systems. We're counting down habits 12 through 8, and we're diving into the critical components that keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently for the long haul. Let's get right into it. Habit 12, fuel filter replacement, the kidney of your fuel system. The habit, replacing your fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. The why, the real-world consequence. Your fuel filter is the guardian of your engine. Its one job is to trap rust, dirt, and debris from your fuel tank before they reach the engine. But over time, it does its job too well, it becomes clogged. A clogged filter is like a clogged artery. It restricts the flow of life-giving fuel. Your fuel pump has to strain harder to push fuel through, leading to premature pump failure, a costly repair. Furthermore, a starved engine doesn't get the fuel it needs under load, causing it to hesitate, misfire, and stall. You'll be blaming the spark plugs or ignition coils, but the root cause is a simple, forgotten filter. The action plan, the empowering solution. This is a straightforward replacement item. Consult your manual, but a safe interval is every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. If you drive in dusty areas or use lower quality gas, lean towards the earlier part of that range. Always use a quality filter. OEM, Bosch, Motorcraft, or AC Delco are all excellent choices. Cheap, off-brand filters can have filter media that breaks down, sending the very contaminants they're supposed to catch into your expensive fuel injectors. The cost benefit. A quality fuel filter costs between $20 and $60. The labor is usually minimal. Compare that to a $500 plus fuel pump replacement or a $400 plus fuel injector cleaning service. Keeping a clean fuel supply is fundamental to smooth engine performance and longevity. Habit 11, brake fluid flush, the invisible danger. The habit, flushing your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. The why, the real-world consequence. We mentioned this in the fluid section, but it's so critical it bears repeating. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air. This is a chemical fact, not a suggestion. This water contamination dramatically lowers the fluid's boiling point. Fresh DOT4 fluid boils at 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Contaminated fluid can boil below 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Why does this matter? During heavy braking, the heat generated can cause the fluid to boil, creating compressible vapor bubbles in your brake lines. The result is a brake pedal that sinks to the floor with no stopping power. It's a silent, invisible failure that you won't know about until you need your brakes the most. The action plan, the empowering solution. This isn't an inspection, it's a scheduled replacement. Every 2 to 3 years, flush the entire system. You can empower yourself with a $20 brake fluid tester to check moisture content. If it reads over 3%, it's time. Always use the fluid type specified on your master cylinder reservoir cap. The cost benefit. A brake fluid flush costs about $100 to $150. The cost of a brake failure is incalculable. For the sake of safety and high mileage survival, this is non-negotiable. Habit 10, differential and transfer case service. The forgotten gearboxes. The habit, changing the gear oil in your differential and transfer case every 50,000 miles. The why. The real-world consequence. Tucked away out of sight, your differential and transfer case are some of the most abused and forgotten components. They are full of hardened gears churning away under immense pressure. The heavy gear oil inside protects them, but it breaks down over time, losing its ability to prevent metal-on-metal contact. The first symptom is often a low whining noise that gets louder on deceleration. By the time you hear it, the bearings and gears are already damaged. If they fail completely, the unit can lock up, leaving you stranded with a tow bill and a repair that can run into the thousands. The action plan, the empowering solution. Refer to your owner's manual, But a good rule of thumb is every 50,000 miles, or sooner if you tow or off-road. This is a job that requires the exact specification of gear oil. There are no safe universal substitutes. Using the wrong oil can lead to accelerated wear and noise. For many modern AWD cars, this is a professional service, but for some trucks and SUVs, it's a very rewarding DIY car care project. The cost benefit. A service might cost $150 to $300 per unit. Replacing a failed differential or transfer case can cost $2,000 to $4,000. It's a small price to pay to ensure the wheels keep turning for the long haul. Habit 9. PCV valve replacement. Your engine's breather. The habit: inspecting and replacing your PCV valve every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. The why. The real-world consequence. Your engine doesn't run perfectly. Small amounts of combustion gases leak past the piston rings into the crankcase. The PCV valve's job is to safely siphon these blow-by gases out. When this small, inexpensive valve fails, if it's stuck closed, pressure builds inside your engine. This pressure has to go somewhere. It will start forcing oil past engine seals, leading to oil leaks from the rear main seal, valve cover gaskets, and more. You'll be burning oil and seeing leaks, wondering where they're coming from. The action plan, the empowering solution. This is one of the easiest and cheapest fixes on this list. Located on the valve cover, you can often simply pull it out, give it a shake, and pop in a new one. Use an OEM part for a perfect fit. It costs between $10 and $25 and takes 5 minutes. Do this when you change your air filter and you'll never forget. The cost benefit. A $15 part and 5 minutes of your time can prevent $1,200 plus in labor to reseal a leaking engine. It's quite literally one of the highest return investments in preventive car maintenance. Habit 8. MEF sensor cleaning. The brain for airflow. The habit: cleaning your mass airflow sensor every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. The why. The real-world consequence. The MEF sensor is a precision instrument. It measures the exact mass of air entering the engine so the computer can deliver the perfect amount of fuel. When this sensor gets dirty, it sends incorrect readings to the computer. The result? A poorly optimized air-fuel mixture. This leads to a sluggish engine, rough idle, poor fuel economy, and even stalling. Your car feels tired and thirsty, and you might waste money replacing other parts when the culprit is just a dirty sensor. The action plan, the empowering solution. Before you ever consider replacing a MEF sensor, clean it. This is a fantastic DIY car care task. Buy a dedicated can of CRC MEF sensor cleaner. Disconnect the sensor, spray the delicate wires inside, let it air dry completely, and reinstall. The difference in throttle response and smoothness can be immediate and dramatic. The cost benefit. A $10 can of cleaner can save you from buying a $150 plus sensor unnecessarily and restore your fuel economy and power. It's a simple habit that keeps your engine's brain sharp.